Hi, I'm Suman Roy, and my today's topic is diabetes. So, I will discuss today what is diabetes and what is the cause of diabetes, classification of the diabetes, diagnosis of the diabetes, prevention of the diabetes, and complication of the diabetes, and what are the risk factors of the diabetes. So, first, I will go to the definition of the diabetes. So, what is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic metabolic disorders where your body does not produce enough insulin, or your insulin is there in the blood but it properly cannot use it properly by your cells. So as a result, the high level of glucose build up in your blood, and as a result your body does not work properly as it should be. So what are the classification of the diabetes? So classification of diabetes, here two type of diabetes mainly is there. This type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. What is type 1 diabetes? Type 1 diabetes is when your body does not make insulin. So as a cause, your blood, your glucose, high glucose level is blood built up on the blood, and your body does not work properly. So this is a type 1 diabetes. So what's the cause of type 1 diabetes? So it's an autoimmune disease. So where your body make own antibody against your own beta cells, where the insulin is produced. So your body antibody is destroy your beta cells. Hence, there is no beta cells, no insulin. So your body does not produce insulin, and as a result, high level of glucose build up in your blood. So this is the type 1 diabetes. Then what is type 2 diabetes? Type 2 diabetes is there when your body does not make enough insulin, or your body make insulin but your cells is not response to this insulin, and as a result, the high level of blood glucose, a high level of glucose will build up in your blood. So this is a type 2 diabetes. So in type 2 diabetes, what is the cause of the type 2 diabetes? See, when you eat something like carbohydrate, protein, fat, or you simply from the rice or anything, whenever you eat, so it will directly goes to your stomach and then metabolize, and then it will goes to the intestine, and then intestine it will absorb the glucose or fatty acid. So when it is absorb the glucose, it will goes to the bloodstream. So when it will goes to the bloodstream, there will be more glucose or high glucose level. So what your body does, your insulin carry this glucose to your cells, or because of insulin, your glucose will enter into the cells. Otherwise, insulin it cannot go to the cells to make energy, because glucose is required for the energy. So what will happen in this case? So in this case, if insulin is not there, then your glucose cannot enter into cells, right? So this is the case. So type 2 diabetes where the body does not have enough insulin. So because of that, your glucose cannot enter into the cells. So high number of high glucose will be there in the blood. Or your, yeah, one term is that is insulin resistance. What is insulin resistance? Your insulin will be there, but your cells does not respond to this insulin. So as a result, the glucose cannot enter into the cells to make energy. So your glucose will be free into the blood. So high, number of glucose will be built up in the blood. This is a type 2 diabetes cause. So I will go for the symptoms. What are the symptoms of diabetes? So first symptoms is that excessive thirsty. So if you take water, like one glass of water, and after 1 hour taking this water, you will feel again thirsty. So this is called excessive thirsty. And number two is excessive urinations or frequent urination you can take. So especially on the night time, if you can see that any diabetic patients, they will go 3 to 4 times urination for the night times. So this is the symptoms. And one more symptom is excessive weight loss. So excessive weight loss means you are 60 kilos, suddenly you lose like 5 to 6 kilos in 10 days. So this is called excessive weight loss. So these are symptoms of the diabetes. Blurred vision, and also like there are like irritation, skin irritation, foot ulcer. These are the symptoms of the diabetes. And if any wound is there, like any cuts and wounds, it will not heal properly, or it will heal later. So it will take time. This is one of the cause of the one of the symptoms of the diabetes. So now I will go for the risk factor for the diabetes. What are the risk factor for the diabetes? Mainly for the type 2, because type 1 is like if you 100% patients, only 10% patient will fall under the type 1, and another 90% patients will fall under type 2 diabetes. So type 2 diabetes is more compared to the type 1 diabetes. So in type 2 diabetes, what is the risk factor? It's excessive body weight, or like body weight is high. Average body weight in Indian is 60 to 65 kilos. If you are 90 kilos or 80 kilos, so your chance is more for the fall into the diabetes. And high blood pressure. If your blood pressure is more than the like normal blood pressure is 120 by 80 mg. So if your blood pressure is more than 140, 140 by 90, 140 by 100, then your chances is more for the fall for the diabetes. And one more thing, blood cholesterol level is high. If your blood cholesterol level is high, then also. And one more factor is that is a genetic factor. If your father, if your sister, if your mother is diabetics, there is a big chance you also get diabetes. This is a genetic factor. So these are the that risk factor that you can fall in the diabetes. So now I will come into the complication of the diabetes. So what are the complication of the diabetes? So because of diabetes, what other disease can come? So first, diabetic neuropathy. So our neuron is damaged. If you are diabetic, your neuron will damage. So because of that, the pain, tingling sensation that can cause. And you can see mainly with the foot, you will feel pain or ulcerations because of the damage of the neuron or small blood vessels like capillaries. And complication like retinopathy, diabetic retinopathy. Retinopathy is what? Your retina will be damaged because of the less blood flow and because of diabetes. It is caused by the diabetes. So you will see blurred vision or completely blind. Kidney failure. Kidney failure are one of the complications of the diabetes, heart attack, and stroke. So what are the preventions? So now come to the prevention. Prevention is that you need to monitor your blood glucose level regularly. So you need to check your blood glucose level and exercise. You need to exercise half an hour per day. Okay. And one more factor, if you are smokers, you need to quit smoking. And healthy diet. Special is healthy diet. Why I will tell that special is healthy diet? Because nowadays the patients not take diet properly. Yeah, pizzas and all they will take the simple carbohydrate. So you need to take more fiber, protein. Okay, you should not take simple carbohydrate much more. So this is the one of the causes of diabetics. Okay, so this you need to do. So these are the topic I have already covered, and one more is the diagnosis of diabetes. I did not discuss with you. So diagnosis is two types. It is a postprandial diabetes and postprandial glucose level and fasting glucose level. So fasting glucose level is a normal is 100 mg per dl. So if you are more than 100 mg, like 100 to 125 mg, you are a pre-diabetic. Your chances to get diabetes is more because you are a pre-diabetic. And if you is to 126 to 150, 180, however it is, then you are diabetes. It's called diabetes. So this is how my topic is over. So thank you for all who was watching my this video. Thank you.